What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with 5 best home coffee machines. If you're a coffee lover like me, then this video is for you. I'll share my favorite in the end of the video too. So stay tuned.
Number 1. Breville Precision Brewer Thermal Coffee Maker. Let's have a look at some of the pros and cons. Pros: brews delicious, consistent coffee. 60-ounce capacity. Programmable timer for convenient mornings. Convenient features like timer and thermal carafe. Durable stainless steel construction. Easy to use and clean. Cons: higher price point compared to some other models. Large footprint. May not be suitable for small kitchens. Number 2. Black & Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Here's a detailed breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: budget-friendly option. Easy to use and program. Large capacity. Ideal for families or entertaining. Pause and serve function for a quick cup. Programmable timer for automatic brewing. 12-cup capacity. Easy to read digital display. Cons: not as durable as some other models. Coffee quality may not be as consistent as higher-end models. Limited features. This coffee maker lacks features like a built-in grinder or frother. Number 3. Cuisinart Coffee Maker Barista System. Let's take a moment to evaluate the pros and cons. Pros: 4-in-1 coffee maker. Brew single-serve, espresso, drip, and cold brew. Nespresso capsule compatible. Built-in frother for lattes and cappuccinos. 12-cup carafe. Programmable timer. Stylish design. Cons: higher price point. Nespresso capsules can be expensive. Larger footprint than some other models. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Programmable Coffee Maker System. Here are some of the pros and cons. Pros: high-end design and performance. Built-in grinder with adjustable grind settings. 10-cup thermal carafe. Integrated scale for precise coffee measurement. Programmable features. Thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for hours. Cons: large footprint and requires counter space. Very expensive. May be more complex to operate than other models. Number 5. Technivorm Moccamaster. Here's an overview of the pros and cons. Pros: classic design and long-lasting durability. Handcrafted in the Netherlands. SCA certified for brewing excellence. 10-cup carafe. Easy to use manual controls. Makes excellent coffee consistently. Cons: not programmable. Manual controls may be less convenient for some users. Higher price point than some other models. In conclusion, Breville Precision Brewer Thermal Coffee Maker is the best for coffee connoisseurs who prioritize taste and quality. Black & Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker is good for budget-conscious individuals who want a simple and convenient coffee maker. Cuisinart Coffee Maker Barista System is top option for versatility in creating milk-based coffee drinks. Wolf Gourmet Programmable Coffee Maker System is the best for those seeking high-end performance and durability. Technivorm Moccamaster is ideal for a classic brewing experience and lasting quality.
Thanks for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, my favorite is number 1 brew, and that's because it gives you the best taste and quality. As I mentioned it before, I love coffee and I usually go for the best taste. That's why it's my favorite. Please like and subscribe if you found the video informative. Thanks and see you next time.